Hi friends, I hope you guys are doing well and you are safe. I think we have seen a very extraordinary situation in last about 6 to 8 months. As we thought we will start again, or we are in a position to start again, we started thinking as to how to communicate with people. This has become one of the basic difficulty that we thought it could be there. So finally, it's all about communication. How do we keep in touch with each other? And what recently NK has released is a video on a concept called no filter, and I'm not going to talk much about it because NK has already elaborated that in his video. Very nice interactive video. No filter is a concept which obviously appears to be little surprising for a filter company. So as we got into this situation where communication became the only issue where effective business can be run, because the moment we got to know that we are not in a position to meet physically with each other, the only option that was left with us was a brilliant system on communication. But see, as we were as we were always prepared for a new situation, whether good or bad, the communication that we are now going to talk more in future, as Niranjan has said, is something which is going beyond the business. We want people to come together, we want people to interact more and more with us through these social platforms, be it Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or whatever that is. We want people to communicate in a great deal with all of us. Your ideas and suggestions are going to be very important to us. This activity is going to get lot of importance in future, and we are going to encourage people to work from home more, because coming to office, look, what we have been experiencing since last about 6 to 8 months or 9 months is that we are quite accustomed to working from different places, be it a home or sitting in a restaurant or cafe. It does not matter where you are sitting physically, where you are, as long as you can communicate and the work goes on. And because of these very strong communication channels, I am very pleased to tell you that we have been able to cope up with the situation much better than the other businesses, our competition, and the way we have starting getting back to business is something which is amazing as far as I am concerned. And this is one of the very crucial issues when we talk about communication. This communication has really greatly helped us come together very quickly. There were difficulties, there were because since we operate from about 6 to 7 plants all over pan India, restarting those operations from scratch from those different locations, and these locations are maybe, I don't know, 2000 miles from each other. With the way we have been able to get back our business to a normal situation is a great thing, and I think communication has played a tremendous role in helping us getting back to our business. The new normal in Fleetguard is no filter. The new normal in Fleetguard is communicating beyond the business. The new normal in Fleetguard is going to be, we are going to be much closer to each other through this social media. I thank all of you for this continuous cooperation, help, guidance, assistance, you call it whatever, in the way people have helped us grow our business. And I really wish you all the very best. You carry yourself very safely and be happy and be safe. Thank you so very much.